4 seasoned boneless ribeyes.
So we're gonna sear them first on the
Sear
grill.
them over the fire. Put a nice sear on them.
And how long each
It'll
side?
be about 1 minute to 2 minutes on each side. And that depends on the amount of heat. And then you move them into the oven to finish them. So you can see the smoke and the fire on it. See the flame on them?
Yep.
All barbecues, you'd be out of control there.
Mm-hmm.
But with the Gruvin, that's by design. So you let them see that direct flame. And in fact, watch, see the smoke coming directly straight up?
Yes.
Watch when I open the top lid.
And there's the flame control.
Instantly off. Instantly change the flame direction. The flame can't even touch the meat. Still plenty of heat. If I shut this top lid, it's instantly back on it.
So
So
cool.
now you're putting flame on your steak by design, not by accident.
And that's what real wood fire.
This is the patent that I ended up getting the full flame control, because watch this. Again, I'll open the top lid. Instantly off of it. It happens that fast. In fact, if you get down in there and see it, you can see the flame being drawn sideways. You know, shut the lid again. Boom.
Amazing. So total control of real live wood fire.
Well, every steak needs a little bit of flame on it. When you have control, you can decide how much you want. That's the beautiful thing about it. Wood fired too.
Mm-hmm.
So we've been about a minute and a half.
Oh, look at those babies. The nice sear.
You don't get this anymore. So again, we'll let the flame touch the meat. All right, so they've done enough searing here. You cannot leave them here to cook them. They would burn. So you just move them up here. And now those steaks, in fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a probe back in them. I want to take them off at 130.